Okay, so today in the workshop, I just tuned this lawn tractor up. This is the Craftsman LT3000. It's got a 42-inch wide cutting deck. It's got a Briggs and Stratton Intech plus 20 horsepower overhead valve engine. Right there. New oil filter, new air filter. Here's the information about the lawn tractor and the engine. If you need any of that information. Well, let's take a look at the model number of this thing. Here's the model number, and you can see that it is from 2006. I see the seat switch has been disabled, not by me. Just your basic lawn tractor from Craftsman. This one is a 6-speed. In my previous video, I show how I fixed the reverse on this, and I could link that video to this one if you want to go and see how that's done. Again, 42-inch deck. And one thing I like about this lawn tractor, maybe it's the LT series itself, I don't know for sure, but I noticed it has a cast iron front axle instead of just a pressed metal. So that's one feature that I like about this particular tractor. So just had inner tubes put in all 4 tires because 3 of them weren't holding air, so I thought I might as well get them all taken care of right away. So there it is, the Craftsman LT3000 from 2006. Thanks for watching.